Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video on Creative Rahaf. Today I will be showing you how to make a chase scratch game. Let's begin by choosing a sprite. I'm going to choose Nano as my main sprite. I'm just going to decrease the size to 70. Now we get to choose a backdrop, but I'm going to design my own. I'll fast forward this because it may take long. I'm going to copy the title and then delete it because I'm going to duplicate the backdrop and then I'll have two copies of it. Then I'll be pasting it into one of the backdrops so one of them has the title and the other one doesn't. Now you have to drag the when the sprite is clicked for the nano. Then you go to the sounds at the top next to costumes and search for a sound you want your main character to do when it jumps. I'm going to search for the sound chirp. Now you go back to the coding section, go to sounds and drag the start sound chirp. Then you get the repeat 10 loop. Then you go to motion and scroll down to change Y by 10. Then you go back to control and drag the repeat 10. Go to motion and get the change Y by -10. Then you drag the glide 1 second to the X, and then the when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, we want it to hide. So you go to looks and drag the hide block. Then you do the same thing but switch backdrops to backdrop 3. Then we want that to show. So next we get the when flag clicked, and before we continue we have to make a variable named gold coins. Now we get the set gold coins to 0, then go to control, drag the if then loop. Now we just have to create a new sprite. I'm going to make my new sprite a gold coin for my main character to catch. So all you need to do is select the circle option at the bottom and fill it with the color yellow. I'm going to be drawing a star on it, but it's your choice. You can do a line or like a $sign. Your choice. Now just decrease it to the right size. I'm going to decrease mine to 35 and I'm going to name it in Surf Sprite 1. I'm going to name it Gold Coin so I know what to do when I'm coding. After we have created our sprite, we're going to drag the touching mouse pointer, but we're going to change it to Gold Coin. Now we go to variables and drag the change gold coins by 1. We're going to create now an obstacle for your main character to jump. I'm going to make a spike. All you need to do is select the color and select the option at the bottom that has a straight line, then fill it with that color. Now we're going to decrease the size to 30 and place it where you want it to start. Go to events and drag the when flag clicked block, then go to the control and get the forever loop. So then go to motion, drag the go to X and place the obstacle where you want it to go. Then drag the glide 2 seconds to X position, Y position. Then go to events and get the when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, we want it to hide. So then duplicate that and get the when backdrop switches to backdrop 3, we want it to show. So now we have to get the when flag clicked block, go to control, scroll down and get the wait until block, then go to sensing and then get the touching nano, the main character. So then you go to control and get the stop all block. Now we move on to the star. We get the when flag clicked and the forever loop. Then we place the star where we want it to start and drag the go to X position, Y position block. Then the glide and type in 2.5 seconds to X position, Y position. Then get the when backdrop switches to backdrop 2 and the when backdrop switches to backdrop 3. We want the first one to hide and the second one to show. Now make space because we're going to do more coding. Now get the when flag clicked, go to variables, set and drag the set gold coins to 0. Go back to events, get the when flag clicked, forever loop, and then get the if then. Go to sensing and get the touching mouse pointer, but we're going to change that to nano. So then go to looks and get the hide block. Then we need to go back to variables and get the change gold coins by 1. So we go at the top and select sound. I'm going to search for a sound coin. Now go back to coding, go to the sound section and drag the start sound coin. Now go to control and get the wait 1 second block and then go to looks and drag the show block. Now duplicate the star at the bottom and place it right next to it. Now see, you've got 2 copies of that, but change the gold coin 2 into glide 3.5 seconds so you have time to catch both coins. Now we go and create a new sprite. This is going to be the play button. So when you begin playing this game, you're going to press the play button. All you have to do is create a circle and a white play button in the middle. Then fill it with the color white and decrease the size to the right size. I'm going to decrease mine to 50. Now we have to get the when the sprite clicked. We go to and get the forever loop, go to looks, scroll down and get switch backdrop to backdrop 3. Then we want it to hide. So then we have to create another sprite again. And this will be the home button. Create 3 vertically white lines underneath each other and next border them with black and change the size to 6 and then duplicate them 3 times beneath each other. Now when you finish, decrease the size to 35 and then drag your sprite to the bottom right hand corner. Now go and get the when the sprite is clicked, then go to looks and get the switch backdrop to backdrop 2. After that, we go to events again and get broadcast message, but we have to create a new message named home. So next we go back to the play button down at the bottom, get the when I receive home block, then you go to looks and drag the show block. Now just go back to the nano and change the glide 1 second to 0.3. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy this game. Don't forget to follow me on Scratch. I'll leave a link and my name in the description box. I hope you all enjoy.